Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at my 5 favorite features on a 2025 Sea Ray 310 SLX. So number 1, your fridge, your grill, sink, countertop, perfect to entertain your guests for the day. Number 2 is going to be your lounge seating back there. You'll have everything you need, cup holders, radio controls, and then your cockpit seating up here. Just a ton of room to entertain all your guests. Third is going to be your dash. You'll have 2 12-inch Simrad, just a really clean, flush look. And then your joystick controls, everything is right there where you need them. Number 4 is your bow. It's really big, can seat a lot of people. You got drop-down armrests, recessed cup holders, low-profile grab rails. Very, very spacious, can hold a lot of people. And number 5 is going to be your automatic swim platform. It's going to drop down, come out, cover up those props so you can have fun and swim for the day and not worry about a thing. All right, guys, so again, my name is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Thank you for watching. This was a 2025 Sea Ray 310 SLX.